Okay. Hi. We've just been shoe shopping. Success. I have new shoes. And we're going to throw these out. My beloved Velcro Vans are going in the bin. Okay, off they go. You guys are so not interested. These are my new shoes. Anyway, very happy to have dry feet. Michael, why did the gays cross the road? The gay man. Michael, why did the gay man cross the road?
To get to the other side.
To get what?
To get to the other side. You probably don't want to blog that.
That's cute. There's an Italian restaurant.
Hey Michael, why did the lesbian cross the road?
To get to the other bride.
We're at lunch now. Hey Amanda,
Hey Lauren.
why did the lesbian cross the road?
So she could come out the other side.
So I'm doing a tour in this museum that's like on the app, and it's like all about magic. And I just found one where it's like, what was it for? Anyway, it's like a charm you're supposed to use. And it has the symbol that we know is a swastika on it now, because that used to be like a positive symbol for light and sun or something. Which is pretty fun. It's really interesting little tour that I'm doing. The original Ant-Man. We've just left the Kunsthistorisches Museum and we're heading home. It's like a 20-minute walk. And we're gonna get some dinner from the place that we tried to get dinner from last night. Then it was closed. But it's open today.
I think it's important that you note that it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon in case they think it's nighttime.
Yeah, it's 4 o'clock and it's dark. We love it. So we were just walking along and we saw this hotel that has like a rooftop bar sort of thing. Rooftop bar, like high up.
Rooftop, it's the top floor, like penthouse bar or something.
Yeah, and so we're gonna go. There it is.
Spotting Michael.
We're going up there, crossing the road, we're not getting run over. Exciting. Time to get lit with the rents. Oh, we're getting higher. Because I don't like alcohol. I got lemonade. Cheers.
Because I do like alcohol, I got whiskey.
Cheers. I tried apéro. Oh, that looks nice.
Has anyone
Here's our second bathroom of the day. Quite fun. This is my 4th time going to the toilet within like the past hour. Nothing's changed. We saw this lit up building and head towards it. And then look. Cute. We're in the middle of a huge Christmas market. So cool. Oh god. It's so gorgeous here. I'm loving it. I wish you guys could come see the Christmas markets. They're so cool. You would love them. It is the end of the day. We're back at the hotel, getting into bed. I tried to make today's vlog shorter for you guys, so you don't have to watch minutes and minutes of me doing not a lot. Enjoy.